So when the Danish physiologists Bang and Duerberg first went up to Greenland, studied the Inuits, looked at their diet, and wondered what was protecting them, they thought that omega-3s were a part of this, and they were half right, but totally wrong. Because what protected the Inuits, what creates this anti-inflammatory condition, is the combination of the omega-3s and the fat-soluble polyphenols. It's a binary weapon. And by taking just one of those ingredients, you don't really achieve very much. What Balance Oil does, it restores those polyphenols. And now you have something that is not really a fish oil, it's more like oily fish. The other oils don't have the polyphenols, they add vitamin E or some other kind of nonsense like that. It's totally ineffective. It's not the right combination. In nature, you never find these long-chain omega-3s on their own. They're always combined with these lipid-soluble polyphenols. They go together, they lock together, they march in lockstep. And that's what the ZINZINO products do. They put them back together, and the combination is so much more effective than the sum of its parts. True synergy.